Hello students, welcome back to the second part of Unit 9, Carry out food and beverage service in guest room. The learning objective from this session will be explain the importance of observing security measures when carrying out food and service in guest room. Now, here we will learn about all the security measures which normally a hotel takes for the service staff when going to the guest room for services. Importance of observing security measures. Security measures need to be implemented for every staff and also for guest. This is very important to find out the correct person or staff in your hotel. During the recruitment or hiring process, normally a hotel does all the scrutiny, like he goes through the profile of the person and finds out the relationship of the person with his previous employer. Now, security measures are implemented to find out because some of the staff may be a malingered staff. Now, what do you mean by malingering staff? Malingered staff means staff who normally try to escape from his duties. Secondly, security related problems. Many a time, a staff whom we do the recruitment may be a criminal. So, in order to find out a malingered staff or a criminal, we do all the monitoring activities. Now, what are the measures that can be implemented by the IRD department for their service staff? First, they can use a time in and time out sheets. Here, the service staff can write the in time before doing the service, and after the completion of their service, they can write the out time. Second, a supervisor can move to each and every floor regularly and find out the time a service staff normally taking in the floor. Electronically coded keys are similar to ATM card. These codes can be changed up to 15 times so that no service staff are allowed inside a guest room. Check and investigate guest complaints frequently to find out if any guest has given any complaint towards any service staff. Staff must be alert upon entering inside the guest room because many a time some guests may show inappropriate behavior or maybe some guests may be intoxicated. During this type of situation, the service staff must call the supervisor or the security persons.